7, 3500. We'll show you airborne now, 1623.
Air 1, Mercy Flight 5 on Mercy Flight radio.
Air 1, Mercy Flight.
10 minutes.
Sheriff's Air 1, go ahead.
Air 1 inbound, about 3 minutes.
About 3 minutes. Can you give me a test count, please?
A test count?
Yeah, on the radio, if you could give me a test count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, everyone. Copy that. Give me a call when you're in the house.
Roger.
Skytrack positive.
Roger, Mercy Flight 5 is a Gulf 4, 1500 for Tiger Ram.
Where's the fuel farm? Mercy Flight on, go ahead.
Landing to the pad, or dolly.
Very good, sir. They're expecting it. All right, go forward to Tigers. But they're making room for you.
Understood.
Radar to Mercy Flight 6. Later. They'll finish up and move his aircraft for you. Come in.
Roger that. Radio Mercy Flight 6.
Mercy Flight 6, guys.
Mercy Flight 6, Gulf 7, back to Olean.
Golf 7 back to Olean at 1844.
Oliver Richburg is looking for a response for you if you're available.
Copy that at 2013. Alpha 60, ECMC, you're clear. LifeNet is unloading the patient. I'm not sure if they're going to be going to K-Lot or they're going to be going to the airport.
Echo 9, 1500 over to NC. Roger that. Radio is 6. LifeNet's still on the roof, correct?
That's correct. They are spooled up, but they're still up there.
Copy that. I'm going to touch down in K-Lot. Wait.
Copy that.
And 6 is touchdown, K-Lot.
Touchdown 2038. I don't know if you're going to have access to the pilot frequency, but I see your crew up there waiting for you. I'm going to see if he wants to just swap with you at K-Lot.
He just wants to hover around for a little bit. Anything.
Yeah, that's what I advised him. I says, once he lifts off, you'll see where you are, and but I'll let you know. Yeah, he should be on Edgar County Air contact at all, so. But it looks like they're preparing to lift off. Mercy Flight 6, it looks like they've lifted off from K-Lot. I think he's on the pilot frequency. Mercy Flight number 5, you got to cancel.
All right, roger that. Just wanted to confirm. And we're shutting down.
Clear copy. Number 6, 2300 hours.
Yeah. 40 minutes of fuel.
Go ahead.
Radio Mercy Flight 5. Training, Skytrack.
And Mercy Flight 5. Skytrack positive.
Mercy Flight 5 is going to be airborne Echo 7 at 3000 to Wellsville.
Echo 7, 3000 at 736. Go ahead.
Do you have any ground contact information for this training?
Wellsville Rescue 7 on the MCI VHF 0 size 2.
On the ramp, ready for departure.
Copy, Air 1. Clear, Air 1. Skytrack positive.
We are lifting. We will be at Gulf 7 and we'll be at 1500 feet.
Airborne Gulf 7, 1500. Now keep you advised on LZ.
Copy. Appreciate it.
Radio to Mercy Flight 5. Radio to Mercy Flight 5.
Mercy Flight 5, go.
You're going to be landing at an intersection just north of the scene. They're set up there. Your ground contact is Darien 45 on VHF 004.
It's going to be VHF 0041.
VHF 004 is your frequency. Darien 45 is your ground contact, and it's at the intersection just north of the scene And the ambulance is there.
Copy. I have the LZ is going to be just north of the scene. It'll be Erie 14, and frequency is going to be 004 on VHF. Thank you.
5, on our way to Buffalo General.
Copy. Airborne Hotel 5, 1500 Buffalo General at 11:22.
We're lifting Buff Gen, returning back to Tigers. We'll be at Golf 4, and we'll be at 1500 feet.
Golf 4, 1500 airborne on the return. 5, Sheriff's Air 1 is running on the pad. I'm assuming they're going to be leaving shortly.
Copy, thank you.
The Mercy Flight 5 inbound should be just a few minutes.
Roger, we just saw them on downwind. We'll stay on the ground until they've set down. If you could just advise or have them advise when they're secure.
Will do, Mercy Flight 5, copy.
Mercy Flight 5, we copied. We'll wait for them to shut down.
We're about to take off.
Mercy Flight, Sheriff's Air 1.
Sheriff's Air 1.
We advise we're approximately 5 minutes out.
Clear, 5 minutes out.
Mercy will be landing, hot fueling, and taking back off.
ECM. Touchdown, Mercy Flight 6, 1620.
Copy.
Direct positive, sir.
Airborne to Buffalo.
All right, Echo 6 over to the Buffalo base. And have your nurse call me when she gets here for a message.
This is Springville.
All right, Echo 6, 2500 to Springville.
We are airborne.
So noted.
Roger, we're at Echo 9. We'll be at 3,000 feet, airborne to Olean.
Echo 9, 3000 airborne, Olean, Mercy Flight number 6.
I have nothing going out or in. You're all set.
Good copy, we're clear.
Can't tell if he's running. It's just hard to tell with the camera. Yep, he just lifted, man. Skytrack positive.
Clear, Echo 7 to Springville.
Echo 7 at Springville, clear. Track positive, Mercy Flight 6.
Clear, Bravo 10 to Children's.
You coming here first or no?
Negative, we left everything here. Just swing back through on the way home.
Okay, so your whole crew's going, got it?
Negative, Tom is here in Springville.
Okay, copied all now, thanks. 6 will say you.
Negative.
Clear airborne Golf 9, Jamestown. Sheriff's Air 1.
Air 1's inbound about 4 minutes.
Okay, pad is in.
Say again?
Sheriff's Air 1.
We couldn't copy your last.
Sheriff's Air 1, Mercy Flight.
We could not copy your last.
I'm sorry. The pad is all yours, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Radio, Mercy Flight number 8, 10 minutes, ETA.
Copy, Mercy Flight 8, 10 minutes, ECMC, and the pad is clear. Mercy Flight 8.
We're going to be lifting from ECMC, heading over to the Tiger Ramp, Echo 4.
All right, Mercy Flight 8. My entire radio system went down. It's back. Go ahead with your message.
You're coming in pretty garbled, too. Not sure what's going on with the radios. How do you read?
Good for now. Go ahead.
We're just lifted from ECMC, heading over to the Tiger Ramp, Echo 4.
Good. Echo 4, 1500 to Tigers, and you're all I got. So. On final, Mercy Flight 8.
Touchdown.
Touchdown, Mercy Flight 8. At 1440. I copy. Down 1448.
Your Mercy Flight 6.
Skytrack positive.
Clear, Bravo 5 to Springville.
Bravo 5 to Springville, that's clear. Springville. Sheriff's Air 1, go ahead.
On the pad, ready for departure.
Copy, Air 1, 1536.
Mercy Flight 6.
Skytrack.
Echo 9, 3000 back to Olean.
Echo 9, 3000. Okay, sir, 3 out. It's all yours.
Fantastic, we'll see you in a bit.
Mercy Flight number 5, your Skytrack positive, go ahead.
Where's Flight 5 radio?
Mercy Flight number 5, your Skytrack positive, go ahead.
Radio, Mercy Flight 5.
5, go ahead.
7,000 for altitude for the whole trip.
You're clear, 1943. How do you read radio now?
You're better now, radio, thanks. 5 on final for children's.
Clear. 5, go ahead.
Hotel 7 for Matrix. Show us airborne.
2031. VHF 049. Medevac VHF 049. So you guys can get clearance for children's PA.
Roger that. Please, you mind texting that to me, please?
Sure.
25, go ahead.
Adam, I just sent you that text message with the frequency.
Roger that, thanks.
Number 8. RGH notifications have been made. They'll be waiting for you.
All right, thank you. Back to Tiger Ram.
2353.
Mercy flight number 5, your SkyTrack is negative.
Okay, we'll be in Echo 7. We're going to be, looks like, okay, Echo 8, probably 2,500, and I will let you know. Let me know if the SkyTrack comes up.
Copy, Echo 8, 2,500. Mercy flight number 5, your SkyTrack is now positive.
Okay, now, we're airborne.
Copy, Mercy flight number 5, airborne. I have your ground contact when you're ready.
Yo, Mercy flight 5.
Mercy flight 5.
We're about 10 minutes out of CJ ground contact.
Mercy flight 5, 10 minutes. Your ground contact is going to be Rushford 6, VHF 052.
Rushford 6, VHF 052, thank you.
Mercy flight 5, if you're trying to reach Mercy flight dispatch, I'm going to need you to switch over to maybe the Olean channel. You're unreadable.
Okay.
Copy, you're coming in to Mercy flight dispatch. Mercy flight number 8, I got you down here. $1,500. All I got was $1,500. I'm assuming you're going to ECMC? Copy, Mercy flight number 8. Copy, Foxtrot 7, 1,600 to ECMC. Positive, go ahead.
Yo, Mercy flight 5, we're going to be in Echo 4, 1,600, lifting off from ECMC now. We got to come back to Buffalo. I think you already talked to Andy.
Affirmative, Mercy flight 5, got you Echo 4, 1,600, back to Buffalo. Radio to Mercy flight number 5. Maintenance has been notified. They'll see you when you get here. Copy, you're downstairs.
Takes 5 minutes.
Copy, Mercy flight number 8, 5 minutes.
You double check those coordinates.
Mercy flight 8, your coordinates are going to be 4310.14.07852.83.
Let's repeat those again because that's not what the text message was. Stand by.
4310.14.07852.83. The rest when you're airborne, you're coming.
Flight number 8. 5 minutes. ETA.
Copy, Mercy flight number 8, 5 minutes. You going to the county? Thank you. Copy, your notifications have been made. I requested extra hands for you on the rooftop. You're downstairs.
10 minutes. Foxtrot 7, 1,600 to ECNC. 6 minutes ETA.
Copy, Mercy flight number 8. Mercy security, you have been notified. Pass clear on the camera. Copy, ECMC in sight. Mercy flight 6, go ahead. Go ahead.
Echo 7, returning Genesee County.
Copy, Echo 7, back to the vent room.